Welcome to alternativetherapyclinic.net. Yoga in India is a way of life, and yoga ensures that your health, which is physical, mental, psychological, social, and spiritual well being of a person, is maintained. One of the Kriya, which is very famous here, is Sudarshan Kriya. A lot of importance is been given to the breathing patterns. The way we breathe will ensure our health and longevity. A lot of methods are developed in yoga for the optimum breathing pattern. Sudarshan Kriya is also an intense rhythmic breathing pattern that brings about social, emotional, mental and physical well-being. It is well known for its effectiveness in reducing stress, anxiety disorders and many other psychological issues. Just like nature has its different cycles and rhythms, our emotions, mind and bodies also have biological rhythms. And when when they are in sync, we feel a sense of well-being and harmony. And when illness or stress disturbs these rhythms, we feel unhappy, upset and discontent. Sudarshan Kriya is, the meaning of Sudarshan Kriya is, it is made up of a word, Su. Su is proper, Darshan is vision, and Kriya is practice, that is purifying. Sudarshan Kriya is a purifying process or purifying practice and part of the yoga. Now, how to do Sudarshan Kriya? How to do the rhythmic breathing, which we call Sudarshan Kriya. To perform the Sudarshan Kriya, you first come to the Vajrasana. Vajrasana is also known as Thunderbolt pose. Kneel on a yoga mat or rug and make sure that the top part of your feet and your shins are touching the floor. Sit on your heels and relax your body. Make sure that your spine is straight and you are sitting as straight as possible, but keep your body relaxed. If you experience too much pressure on hips and knees, you can remain seated on your heels, but basically in the Vajrasana position. Throughout the entire Kriya, you should keep your breathing relaxed. A 3-part breathing cycle is used in the Sudarshan Kriya, which will need a bit of little practice to perform properly. In the first cycle, you need to breathe in and out in a relaxed manner in 1:1 ratio. So if you are breathing in, if you are inhaling in 5 seconds, exhale in 5 seconds. So that is the first cycle, which you have to do minimum 10 to 12 times. And the first cycle is breathe in, breathe out in the equal proportion. Now, the second cycle, your exhalation should be twice the duration of the inhalation, 2:1 ratio. If you are inhaling in 5 seconds, you must exhale in 10 seconds. This is second cycle of the Sudarshan breathing. I'm sorry for that. In the second cycle, your exhalation should be twice the duration of the inhalation. In the third cycle, your inhalation should be twice the duration of the exhalation. Again, if you are inhaling in 5 seconds, you should exhale in 2.5 seconds. If you are inhaling in 10 seconds, exhalation must be 5 seconds. Now a typical session of a short Sudarshan Kriya should be around 20 minutes. What are the benefits of Sudarshan Kriya? It helps in reducing your stress level, your anxiety level. It increases your immunity. It increases the energy level in the body and improve overall well-being and health. Thank you so much. It was Dr. Kaushik from AlternativeTherapyClinic.net.